In this video, I'll show you how to turn off community activity on your Yahoo Mail profile in just a few quick steps. This is a simple privacy setting, but it can make a big difference if you want to keep your profile cleaner and reduce what others can see about your activity. If this tutorial helps you out, please take a second to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail in your browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in your inbox, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open your account options. From there, click Manage Your Account. That will take you to your Yahoo account settings page, where you can control personal details, privacy preferences, and other account options. Next, look for the Personal Settings section. This is where Yahoo keeps profile-related preferences, including the option for community activity. Now find the setting that says Show Community Activity on Profile. This is the option that controls whether your activity is visible on your public profile. To turn it off, simply toggle the switch to Off. Once you do that, Yahoo should stop showing community activity on your profile. It's a good idea to wait a moment and make sure the setting saves properly before closing the page. If you want to double check, refresh the page or go back into your personal settings and confirm that the toggle is still turned off. And that's it. You've now turned off community activity on your Yahoo Mail profile. This is a quick way to improve your privacy and keep your profile more personal. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Yahoo Mail tutorials in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.